In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. Full 2026 guide. By connecting ClickUp with GitHub, you can automatically bring commits, branches, and pull requests into your tasks, keep statuses in sync, and cut down on context switching. We'll walk through the exact path inside ClickUp. Open Settings, go to the Apps section, search for GitHub, select it, and click Connect. I'll also share helpful tips so you avoid common snags along the way. Start in your ClickUp workspace and confirm you're in the correct one for your team. Look toward the lower left corner for the gear icon labeled Settings and click it. If you don't see Settings or it's grayed out, you may not have the right permissions in this workspace. So switch to a workspace where you do or ask an admin to grant access. Inside Settings, head to the Apps area. This is ClickUp's integration hub where you can browse, enable, and manage connections. It's the quickest place to find official integrations and verify whether they're already connected. Use the search field at the top and type GitHub. Don't worry about capitalization. Typing GitHub works fine. You should see the GitHub integration card appear. If your organization uses GitHub Enterprise, look for the Enterprise variant. Otherwise, the standard GitHub option is what you want. Click the GitHub card to open its details and review what it does. You'll see that it links commits and pull requests to ClickUp tasks, lets you track code activity from within a task, and can even update task statuses based on keywords used in commit messages or pull requests. This quick overview helps you confirm you're enabling the right app. Next, click Connect. ClickUp will route you to GitHub to authorize the connection. Choose the correct GitHub account or organization, then select the repositories you want ClickUp to access. For security, it's best to grant only what your team actually needs. Approve the requested permissions so ClickUp can read repository data and post status updates where relevant. When authorization completes, you'll land back in ClickUp with the integration showing as connected. From here, your team can immediately link code to work. Include a ClickUp task ID in branch names, commit messages, or pull request titles to automatically associate activity with the right task. Open any task in ClickUp to view the GitHub panel and see linked commits, branches, checks, and PRs without leaving your workflow. If Connect doesn't open GitHub, temporarily disable pop-up blockers or try another browser. If GitHub says you lack access, have an org owner approve the app and grant repo permissions. Can't find the GitHub app in ClickUp? Double check you're in the intended workspace and that integrations are enabled on your plan. That's it. You clicked Settings, opened Apps, searched for GitHub, selected it, and connected, bringing your planning and code together in one streamlined flow.